Hi guys, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix Shopify redirected you too many times. Now, if you apply the exact same steps in this video, you will be able to fix this problem. It's actually a very popular problem, like it's very common. A lot of people have faced the exact same problem. Now, first thing you need to know, guys, when your the reason why this happens, when your browser tries to load your site, it goes back and forth between those web addresses in a way that will never complete. So like a redirect loop. Okay, it's like a loop, like it's always like opens and closes the new tabs. Okay, so that's exactly why this happens. So the solution to fix this problem first is you will have to check your third party where you have like purchased your domain. If you purchased it from, for example, GoDaddy, you want to go to settings and make sure the domain is pointing to Shopify. So that's really very important. Okay, so that's most of the time that's the reason, like most of the time that's going to cause this reason. You want to go to where you have purchased your domain and you want to click on your domain and make sure it's pointing to Shopify. This is exactly where like point A, as you can see, point A record to Shopify's IP address, which is this IP address. Like do the exact same thing in this page. Okay, just take a screenshot of this page and make sure you point A record to Shopify's IP address, which is this IP address, as you can see. Also make sure you point C9 www record to shops.myshopify.com. okay, so you can try this, and like I said, it depends on where you have purchased your like domain name. Like if you have purchased, for example, from any third party like website, you just need to go to that website and make sure the domain name is pointing to Shopify. Like I said, make sure the A record is pointing to this address and the C9 record is set to shopify.myshopify.com. Also, if this doesn't work, you want to try using Microsoft Edge to open your Shopify and see if the problem is still there. Also, make sure you delete cookies and caches and see like if this will work or not. Like you can just delete cookies if you click on three little dots in the top right, and you want to click on settings here. Okay, so after you click on settings, you want to click on privacy and security, and as you can see, if you click here on delete browsing data, you can just set this to last 24 hours or 7 days. Just set, for example, if you have this problem in the last 24 hours, you can just select here 24 hours. Make sure just know that it will sign you out most of the sites, so make sure you remember the password. After that, you want to click on delete data and see. Now if it doesn't work, you want to try using your Shopify store inside Microsoft Edge. Okay, see if that problem is still there or not. Like I said, most of the time you have a problem with your domain name. Okay, so make sure your domain name is pointing to Shopify. Okay, that's exactly the reason. So if this one, guys, helped you, drop a like and see you guys in the next video. I hope this video helped you. If it does, leave a like, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to everyone. See you guys next video.